welcome. Happy Black History Month. Today, I'll be making one of my family recipes called Haitian beef stew in honor of Black History Month and to celebrate all the mothers who are working very hard to serve daily, delicious, and fresh food to their families. I wanted to share this recipe with you. To start, we have boneless beef, and I'll be using also Haitian spice blend. In the blend, we have fresh garlic, green onions, red peppers, parsley, and you can add any type of Jamaican peppers or any other hot peppers that you like to your taste. So what we need to make Haitian beef stew, as I mentioned, I'll be using my blend, some Jamaican peppers, salt, oil, vinegar, tomato paste. So in order to start, Haitians really like to make sure that the meat is clean, meaning that there's no smell or aftertaste. Therefore, you have to make sure that you rub every piece of meat with the lemon. So after cleaning the meat with the lemon, I'm gonna add maybe 1 teaspoon of vinegar. And I'm gonna add hot water. Like I said before, this really helps me it helps to remove the raw smell of any meat. Now, the meat is ready to marinate. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of the Haitian blend, and it's really to your own taste. And now I'm adding my salt. So you can add a tablespoon, but again, it's to your own taste. You can use your hands to mix everything, but I'm using a wooden spoon to make sure that everything, the meat is well marinated and the blend is everywhere on the beef. Now it's time to cook our meat. I'm gonna cook my beef for about an hour to an hour and a half on medium heat. As you notice, I'm not gonna add a lot of water. Maybe I'll just add half a cup of water, because remember that the beef itself will do its own water. So you're gonna see water coming out of the beef. This is what we're gonna use. We're gonna try to use a little bit of that to make our sauce. However, as I mentioned, no need to add water, but you have to keep an eye on the beef. Again, you have to cook it on medium heat, and you let it cook for about an hour and a half. And you have to keep an eye on it to either add oil or a little bit. As you can see, our beef has a nice color and it's almost cooked. I'm just gonna add some water that I boiled, not too much, in order to continue the cooking. It's better if you take a beef that all the pieces are even. That way it cooks easily. But now I have some bigger pieces, some smaller pieces, so I have to continue. I have to let it cook for another maybe 15 minutes. So initially I had said an hour and a half, but it's mostly 2 hours to 2 hours and 15 minutes that you get. That way you get your beef is tender and flavorful. After the water has evaporated, I added a tablespoon of oil in order to brown the meat. One thing that my mother taught me in Haitian cooking is that all the flavor is at the bottom of the pan. So what I'm doing right now, I'm scrubbing the bottom of the pan in order to get all my flavors into my meat. Now, I'm ready to add my tomato paste. I added a tablespoon of tomato paste. I'm mixing everything together. And at this point you can add a little bit of water to help brown the meat. My mom has taught me to cook with hot water in order to save the flavor. And as I mentioned before, you have to scrub your pan in order to get all the flavors going. When you're satisfied with the color of your meat, now you're ready to do the sauce. So I kept some of the water from the beef when the beef was cooking. I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna add my green peppers. I'm gonna add my Jamaican pepper. I'm gonna do a little incision in it. Not too much because it's gonna make it too spicy. And I add some water. Not too much. Just enough to let it simmer a little bit. Now we're going to let everything simmer. I'm going to add onions. And we're almost done. I'm going to let it simmer for maybe 5 minutes. Here we have our Haitian beef. As you can see, I added some fresh parsley for decoration. I hope that you enjoyed this meal, and it was a pleasure for me to share this family recipe with you in honor of Black History Month.